is the Taste of Tracey Road. It's our annual open house that we do.
We've been doing this for about a decade,
and it's a great opportunity for customers to come out and see what we have to offer here at Tracey Road.
I haven't been to this event before, so I've heard other companies talk about it, and I just want to see what it's all about.
Yeah, Ray Sweck, I'm the regional sales manager for the Northeast. I look after Astec attachments and stationary rock breaker systems for the aggregate side of our business. Rock to road. We basically take big rocks, turn them into small rocks, put it down as pavement, down as aggregate for concrete work to build infrastructure. Well, it's been about 3 years now. I've been working with Scott Collins and Jerry. They've done an excellent job. Scott's put some good size hammers out with some key customers, and it's been a very good experience. Thank you very much, Jerry and the Tracey family, for sponsoring and putting the event together, and we look forward to success in the future.